So this video is just a welcome back video. Welcome back to me. Hey guys, Kamra here with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to catch more videos just like this. All links is going to be in the description box below. So guys, I know it's been a while. I do apologize for the time spent away. I've been a lot of things have been happening really. One of those things being that I moved and I have a new location or a new home, and I've just been trying to get adjusted and all this. The other part of the delay was that I got a ton of orders from you guys and it kept me busy. So I do apologize again. I'm grateful for you guys' support. I could not have asked for more or a better response to what I'm doing here on YouTube. So I really do appreciate it. But it did keep me away from you guys, and I really miss you guys. So yeah, I'm back and I'm really excited to get back into it and show you guys some new things that I've been working on, as well as just kind of have you guys join me on my natural hair growth journey and just be with me and in this whole journey. So I do apologize again, and I thank you to those who stuck around and who are still hanging in there with me and who are forgiving me for dipping out and vanishing just like that. So yes, I am going to keep orders to a minimum or a limit so that I'm not overwhelmed to the point where it takes me away from this platform, because I do love just teaching and showing people the technique and methods and just new ideas that maybe they've never considered. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find that balance and work on that a little bit more. Yeah, so this is just a welcome back video and just letting you guys know that I'm still here, that I am still all about these videos and all about helping you guys to come up with some amazing wigs and amazing new concepts and designs. This is a community of creatives and of innovators, at least in the hair world. I want to utilize that platform for that. So this is the second time I straightened my hair since I grew it out after the big chop. So this is where we're at as of right now, which is just so bad. It's actually dirty and it really needs to be washed and redone. But yeah, this is where we're at now. Because this video is going to be short, I just wanted to show you guys one thing that's really been helpful for my upkeep with my hair, and it's this wand here. I bought it from a woman in Germany, and I love this because it's dual usage in a sense. I use it for curling my crochet wigs as well as for pinning up my hair. So I have a bunch of these. I just ordered a whole bunch because I really love her work. So this is another one that she did, and I'll just really quickly show you guys how I use it. I'll do this one here. So I'll just show you guys how I use it. So typically I wear my hair up if I'm not going anywhere or if I'm not doing anything, and I twist it around. Then I take this wand here and I twist my hair around it, and then from the top I stick it in and it holds it. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see that. And it's just a really, really cool way to keep your hair protected and keep your ends in particularly protected, so that there's less breakage and you can grow your hair a little bit faster. So I really, really love this idea. If ever I need my hair up off of my shoulders, I just take this pen and or this wand and pick it. Usually, of course, you would be using a hair tie or a band or something, but those are usually kind of strenuous or kind of rough on my ends. So I think this is a much better protective tool to use for girls going natural, or for just women in general who want to protect their ends. So I really like it. And it comes in so many different designs, and there's some with two picks on them, which is helpful as well. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And again, I just wanted to say hello and that I am back. Hi guys. Thank you to new subscribers who haven't really gotten a chance to meet me, on a live-ish kind of way. And thank you and hello to old subscribers who've been, with me from the beginning. Thank you guys. And thank you for all those in between who haven't subscribed but just kind of, watch my videos from time to time. Thank you guys too. So at this point, I'm just rambling, so I'm just gonna go. See you soon.